I get up before the sun rises and I wanted something stylish and functional, perfect for a small space in the bedroom. I needed the light, I needed adjustability. This is a laminate wipeable top. It has some plastic on the side and I love this gold metal tapered leg on the bottom. I added my own poof. It does not come with it, but love how the gold and the gold kind of tie in together and have the same look. It's quite durable. It has these little feet on the bottom and two 15-inch wide drawers along the top. The entire unit's 39 inches long, 5 inches tall, about 16 inches deep. The mirror does shift and move. It's not screwed in, and you can adjust it to any angle. When you get it where you like, you just tighten the screw to lock it in place. It is 16 inches in diameter with a light ring around the side. It can adjust and move anywhere you like, and by touching this, it goes from warm white to natural light to off and then back to the cold light. Up close, that finish is kind of a champagne muted gold. I love that I can shift it and put it anywhere I need depending on the amount of space. It does plug in with a USB connection. I do have to provide wall plug myself, but the USB does plug straight into that and it's charging well for me. And here's a quick view from above. I love that that surface is wipeable. The drawers open easily. It's kind of maybe a pine, and I did have to assemble it, but the movement does work and open and close really well. There is this gold banding that runs all the way around the side and it ties into the gold legs, which I think is quite pretty. The inside measurement of the drawer is 2 inches high, total vertical space of 4, 14 inches wide, and 10 inches deep, and it does open and close pretty well for me. They are quiet, smooth tracks and provide good amount of storage for your beauty essentials. I also love that if I need to take the mirror off, I can use this as a desk in my bedroom as well. But overall, it's great for a small space. I can adjust the mirror's angles. The lights are bright. The assembly was pretty straightforward. You can use it in the dark. Overall, it's a stylish and functional vanity.